Hello dear friends, welcome to your own channel Gramification. Wish you all a happy and colorful Holi. In our previous classes, we were discussing about subject and verb agreement, and in today's class also we will continue with the same. Today we will see rule number 3. Rule number 3 says that when there will be two subjects which are synonyms, then it will be considered as single. अगर दोनों सब्जेक्ट सिनोनिम्स है, एक दूसरे के सिनोनिम या पूरक हैं, देन इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज वन, एक के रूप में माने जाएंगे. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. लॉ इज समथिंग डिफरेंट, ऑर्डर इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. बट whenever it is being used in a sentence, जब हम यूज करते हैं किसी सेंटेंस में, then it is considered as one. So here it is the mistake. Law and order has to be maintained because it is combining together and it is indicating to one. These are synonyms to one another, law and order. Like the same, bread and butter are the staple foods of Europeans. No. Bread and butter, no doubt bread is something different, butter is something different. Bread अलग है, butter अलग है, but they are synonyms to one another. So in place of this are, we are supposed to use is. Bread and butter is the staple food, not foods, of Europeans. Europeans के bread and butter staple food है. So it is synonym to one another. So synonym case, it will be considered as single. Come to the next rule. Next rule says, this is very important one. As per this rule, 140 pieces of the collection have or has been sold out. In this sentence, we have to understand that what has been sold out. Either the collection is sold out or 140 pieces. हमको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि हमको 140 pieces sold out हुआ या collection sold out हुआ. No, here it is 140 pieces. So here it is a plural one. 140 pieces have been, not has. 140 pieces of the collection have been sold out. Next, the same type of example. 10 books of the bundle is or are sold out. Here, what is sold out? 10 books or bundle? It is 10 books. So books, it is plural one, so it will be plural, not is. 10 books of the bundle are sold out. Next, it is very important and confusing example. This one is, she is one of the girls who has played for nationals. ये सबसे ज़्यादा important और confusing है. So here, she, it is this who, this is called as relative pronoun. In relative pronoun chapter we have discussed it in detail. जब हम relative pronoun के वीडियो अपलोड किए थे तब हमने इसके बारे में डिटेल देखे थे, but here also again we are repeating. So she is one of the girls who has played for nationals. So whether we are talking about the girls or we are talking about she, हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? she एक के बारे में और girls जो नेशनल खेले हैं. So in this type of case, this is called as antecedent. I am not repeating it again, so please refer to my relative pronoun chapter and you will get the concept of antecedent. So antecedent case, and the verb will be as per the antecedent case. Antecedent is here, we are not talking about only this girl. She is one of the team. We are talking about these girls. ये सारे गर्ल्स में से एक टीम है, सारी गर्ल्स खेली है नेशनल, एंड शी इज वन ऑफ इट. उनमें से वो भी एक लड़की है. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गर्ल. सो एंटीसीडेंट इज प्लूरल. सो हियर आवर हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल आल्सो बी plural. She is one of the girls who have played for nationals. Hope this video was an useful one for you. So please don't forget to have a thumb mark and please subscribe this channel more and more to get more such videos on grammar topics. Thank you and have a very nice day.